Rilla has been able to enable us to grow our sales force. When we started, we were able to double the size of our sales force, which has actually gotten us to be able to get out in front of clients. It's really speeded up our whole process with training, because you can just listen to all the interactions and see where exactly you want to tweak things and lead us to more sales ultimately. Hi, my name is Justin McCullers. I'm one of the owners at Impact Enclosures. We've been in business 17 years, and I've been here from the start. Impact Enclosures is an outdoor living space construction company. We focus on bringing families together outdoors. Prior to using Rilla, one of our top sales reps was at around a 28% closing ratio. After using Rilla, he's actually been able to push his numbers up to 40%, which is huge. I think a lot of times on our ride-alongs, they didn't feel natural. Like the reps felt like they were being judged while they're talking to the client, not only by the client, but also by, the sales manager. And this gives them a lot less pressure. And then when they get back, they're still able to be coached.
Without Rilla, I was doing probably one ride-along a week at 8 hours. With Rilla, I can do a full days of ride-along within about an hour. And I can still do one a week.